At NOBOSS, we firmly believe that understanding your business finances is non-negotiable. Even if we've got your monthly bookkeeping covered or are training your new bookkeeper, it's imperative that you, the entrepreneur, grasp your numbers. Data entry is one thing, interpreting that data is where the magic happens. That's where strategic decisions, business growth, and elite management come into play. We're here to empower you with insights into your finances, enabling you to ask the right questions, and engage in meaningful discussions with your bookkeeper, CPA, or our team. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about keeping the books, it's about understanding them to drive your business forward. Grasping your financial statements allows you to make strategic choices that align with your business goals. Cash flow management. Understanding cash flow ensures you can meet obligations and invest in growth opportunities. Profitability analysis. Regularly reviewing your income statements helps identify profitable areas and those needing improvement. Stakeholder communication. Being financially literate enables effective communication with investors, lenders, and partners. So, if you're ready to deepen your financial understanding and take control of your business's future, join us at NOBOSS Hub 6.